welcome to Educate E-commerce, your one-stop destination for Shopify tutorials and e-commerce solutions. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can add privacy policies, refund policies, shipping policies, terms and conditions, terms of use, etc. All of these pages, how you can add that into your Shopify store. So if you're running any business or any shop e-commerce store or anything, you will need certain rules that you should come by. So these rules are very important to run a successful business. And these might be very useful in case of having a legal dispute where your rules and bylaws are clearly stated. So today I'll be talking about how you can add that. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So here I have my website. So I'm going to go to my website dashboard, and here in the settings, in the Shopify settings, you'll be able to see the legal page right here. So here you will be able to manage your legal pages. So I'm going to click on to the legal. Okay, so here you can see that there is refund policies, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, etc. So these are the certain kind of policy or rules that you should be having in your website. So first of all, there is a refund policy, then there is privacy policy. So all of these comes with a create from template option. So if you already have a theme, there'll be footers that's already set by them. So you just have to edit it right here. Otherwise, you can just create from right here. You can just click on the create replace with template right there, and here you will be able to edit it however you want. So if you have a legal guardian or anyone, you can edit that. So first of all, you can edit the contact, like which email that you want to be specified for the customer service, support, etc. So those email you can edit that right here. Okay, then there are in some places there might be address, so you can change that as well. So this is the refund policy that I have done. Then I'm going to add the privacy policy as well from the template right here. So this is the site, and you can remove you need to read it all of the things that you have, like etc. Add or subtract any other tracking technologies you definitely don't want that. All of these extra features you need to delete it. And if there is any address that's mentioned by your, like that's already there or anything, so you have to delete that as well. So for that, you just have to read it before you go anywhere, like before you post it. So maybe here you can see there is a contact. I don't want my address to be mentioned, so I'm just going to delete that. This the date, the last updated date. You can add a date of the last updated review. So all of this are the things that you need to take care of. So here there's a terms of service. Again, you can just click onto the template. So it's as simple as that with the Shopify thing. You can also add it. This is just a sample, but you can also add it. You can add your own terms. If there is another law for like your country, etc., you can add that as well. So that's the first step you can do. Then there's a shipping policy. So shipping policy basically consists of the number of dates that will take to ship the courier partners that you're raising, etc. So this doesn't comes with a template. So I'm going to just paste it. I'm going to paste the thing that we are having. So this is the privacy, the shipping policy that I've added. It's the best way to copy it is take your favorite website that you follow or anything. Just take this and make the changes that you need, like the quantity, the name, the country, or the like details. All of that you can change and use that template for a easy access. So we are done with all of the pages that we had. I'm just going to save it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this into a different page. So let's go to our online store right here, and let's go to the pages, and we're taken into the pages option. So here we have to create a new page and paste it. All of the contents that we have added in the legal section, we are going to paste it right here. So I'm going to add a new page, click on add page, And we'll go back to our setting and legal, and we'll keep this page opened. So first of all, we have the refund policy right here. So I'm going to add refund policy, and right here I'm going to select all of this and copy it and paste it right here. So you can add the things that we usually do with the pages. You can add the search engine listings and everything. So I'm going to save this. All right. So we have done our first page. Next, we're going to do similarly for the other pages as well. So we've just added all of the pages. So we have shipping policy, terms of service, privacy policy, and refund policy. So these, all of these pages are not necessary. This will be according to your website or anything. So you can maybe just take it into a one single page, or anything, however you want. You can customize it completely. So we have done this. Now the next step should be displaying it on your website. So that's the most important thing, so that your customers can see, or your viewers, or anyone who comes to your website needs to see all of these pages. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the navigation. So here in the navigation, we are going to add all of these pages as a menu. So basically, it's better to add it on the footer menu. So I'm going to go to the footer, and right here we're going to add the menu. So you can click onto the add menu, and right here we can add the refund policy firstly, and then go for the link, and here you can look for the page, and the pages will be listed right there. So I've added the refund policy. Similarly, I'm going to add the other policy pages as well. So we've added all of the menus right here. So I'm just going to save this menu, and let's go to our website. I'm going to go to my website, and right here in the quick links, you will be able to see all of the pages that we have just added. You can see the refund policy, the privacy policy, shipping policy, and terms of service, and all of the pages that we have just added. So that's how you can add the refund policy or any legal pages into your Shopify website. So this is a simple step that you need to follow with using a simple template. Otherwise, you can also go for handwritten law or anything that you want on your website. So that's it. That's all about Shopify tutorial for today. We'll see another video. Bye.